It's like 15 minutes to 3 and it's dark as hell. But I'm stuck in on a timing belt job for a lady, so she can get back on the road before Monday. You know what I mean? I don't want to be working, but I couldn't say no to helping out this lady, man. Shit. I need to find out what socket is inside of this hole, or what tool I need to get in there. So this is what I do. Yeah, that looks like a T30. So yeah, that's how you do it basically. There's another one. And this is the tool to get to get that bolt out. Alright, I've got to take the bottom pulley out and then I can get that out. Just taking off the crank pulley, and now I'm looking to see what I need to take off to get this off. So I've got two T30s either side. Alright, so I've got all the bolts out. There's one up there and there's one up at the top, and then just pull that down like that. Okay, now hopefully this mount comes out. That came out very easy compared to some cars. So now we've got the timing belt and the water pump assembly exposed. So we need to time up this engine and get cracking. It's getting dark, guys. It's getting dark. Literally, you can't see very well, but the customer thought I couldn't do it. I said, listen, mate, don't worry yourself. It will get done properly, don't you worry. So that's the timing pin at the top in and the timing pin at the bottom in. But this tool, this special tool that I bought, ain't quite right. Something's missing, so I've had to use a bolt. But I've lined it up and I made it bolt in as straight as possible. And then that immediately popped in perfectly, so I know where the timing is. Let's get this belt off and change this water pump. It's leaking. That's the problem, that's why we're doing it. It looks like the belt's about to come off. Probably not though, but yeah, we've got to change it. This is the water pump. Yeah, it's somehow leaking, causing a big mess. But the boss is here, you get me? Let's go. You gotta clean this shit up, man. It's leaking, so obviously when you put it back in, the new seal's got to be working in it. So you don't want to create another leak by putting it back in without cleaning it and it started leaking. That's crazy. It's crazy, my guys. So that's the water pump in there. What are you saying?
To check on you, how are you getting on?
Well, it's kind of done now. I can pull the pins out, put everything back together now, and bleed it. It's now 5 o'clock. Probably getting out here about 6:30. That's the first start. Brilliant. Fantastic car. Night time. Alright, so this damn car, man, it's got so many faults. There's no hot air coming out the fans, so there's some sort of valve that's blocked on it. The DPF is blocked. I put some chemical in it to help unblock it, but it seems like one of the temperature sensors that raise the temperature before the DPF is not working. Yeah, it's saying rated temperature 140. I've actually literally cleared the carbon load with that chemical, but from what I believe, but can't get a good temperature there, so I'm guessing it's never going to start because it wants to see 140 degrees in order to start this damn thing. Can't start it, you know. So we need to find out what sensor is responsible for the temperature and check that out. Rated temperature, current cooling temperature is 96, but it's cold there. Should reach at least 140. Well, can't do that. Let me take this lady's car back home, call it a day for today, man. I'll try my best. Why are you lying though? You know it's not full up. Long day. This car, it's got so many problems. DPF blocked, headlight not working properly. No, oh my god, heating in the car not working. It had a water leak that's now fixed. The DPF is blocked, like I said. Needs a new sensor. You need to spend some money, boy.